Good afternoon. I wanted to come on really quickly while I'm in the process of cutting and laminating and prepping and show you really quickly how I turn a simple cut and paste activity into a reusable hands-on activity. So here I have a cut and sort activity made by Tara West, and this is part of a endless numbers bundle. I'll do a completely different video showing you everything that's included later on. But this is one of the centers, and it's cut and paste. Your children would cut and paste. They would match the matching numbers with the number in the middle. Well, my son, he's 3 years old, and he's still mastering and working on his fine motor skills. So with this activity, I really didn't want him to focus on the fine motor aspect as much as I wanted him to focus on the math. So what I did was I laminated the sheet, I cut it in half, I took another piece of paper, laminated it, and I bound them together. I used some Velcro dots, and I created this center. So all the pieces are right here, and all he has to do is pick them off, and we'll go over which ones match and which ones don't match. And when I'm done, I can put it up, fold it, and it's going to go in a Ziploc bag and put away. We can always revisit it and do a review, make sure he's mastered that number, or we can take it with us if we're on the go. It's something he can work on, and you don't have to worry about consuming paper and reprinting the same thing over and over again. So if you have cut and paste activities that you really like, that you could see your child doing over and over again as a form of practice or just an activity that they can do when they're done their work, then I'd highly suggest laminating them, cutting the pieces apart, and adding some Velcro dots, making it a hands-on activity. Peace.